Now, building a membrane. Now, we would like to have one earlier idea. When cell was not created, suppose the materials were created, we do not know how it happened, how did it happen? But we know that nowadays that cell boundary is there. So many components were there. Suppose many components were manufactured from the materials available on the earlier Earth. Everything in the aqueous system. So many things created in the aqueous nature, in the aqueous field, and outside is also aqueous field. Then how to separate them? Because two are aqueous solution. The better thing to develop is you have to make one boundary. What should be the boundary? Your boundary must be made of lipid. So lipid is the best way to distinguish between these two aqueous solution. That's why our cell membrane, which is present in every living organism, is made of lipid. Lipid can make barrier between two aqueous solution. Now, cell membrane fluid mosaic model, if we touch it now, so this should be everywhere in every cell organelle. If it is single membrane, only this. If it is two membrane, the same nature will be in two membrane. Two phospholipid layer, check this one, I would point it out here. Two phospholipid layer, 1 and 2. And in this here, we would get iceberg shaped protein channels, very specific for different type of ions to go inside and go out. These are cell membrane fluid mosaic model. We have to apply this knowledge everywhere. Everywhere in every cell organelle membrane, we have to talk about that. I would like to show you also and how different things work with this. We have now taken steroid hormone, one thing. We're talking about this steroid hormone. So hormone is passing through the cell membrane. It is coming inside the cell. So if we look into our human body, so steroid hormones pass through blood vessel. So blood vessel carrying steroid hormone, then that hormone is coming out of the blood vessel into the intracellular, or here it is the extracellular area, in between cell and the blood vessel, then passing into the cell. When it passes into the cell, there should be one guide who can take it to the nucleus, because hormone wants to deliver. This steroid hormone can pass into the cell, other hormones can come into the cell membrane and pass the information. They are not allowed to enter. But steroid hormone can enter through cell membrane. So passing through that, then it is coming to the nucleus to deliver its message. In the nucleus, it penetrated inside and then coming to the DNA. So DNA will recognize the hormone and get the information. After knowing the necessity, the DNA will create one mRNA. The order of the nucleus, what to do. Then mRNA will come out of the nucleus, and that order is to be read out by ribosome, a cell component. After reading the order of the nucleus, it creates protein. And that protein creates in turn some other chemicals like enzyme and other things, and then execute the necessary work. So see here cell membrane working it, and also many other things, how they harmoniously work and taking control of it. So these are the cell, and we get the cell membrane, two phospholipid layer in which protein channels are embedded like icebergs.